Hey guys, welcome back. Another day of formulas and functions. Some of the basic concepts that we need to understand is about operators. Yeah, as we saw through the referencing in our previous videos. Operators is what you need to understand. What does it means by? So we start with understanding operators which are of two types. First is the arithmetic operator, yeah, and second is your logical operators, yeah. When I'm talking about logical operators in Excel, those are you can say logical entities which can be used for conditions, which we learn in a separate formulas altogether. But the important operator that we need to look at is the arithmetic operator. Yeah. Now, when I'm talking about arithmetic operators, these are used in formulas and used to do some fundamental operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Yeah. So there are specific six primary arithmetic operators that I want to bring to your notice to perform some complex mathematical calculations. First is the addition operator. So you know what is addition. So this is used to add integers. It is denoted by plus sign. Then you have subtraction operator, which is denoted by an hyphen sign. Yeah. Third is multiplication operator, which is denoted by a star sign. Next is division, which is denoted by a forward slash sign. Forward slash. Yeah. Forward slash. Then we have exponential operator, which is denoted by an exponential sign, which is this one. Yeah. Then we have the percentage, which is denoted by a percent sign. Yeah. So there are six basic types of operator. We'll see into all these operations one by one. So let's start with addition. So as we have seen earlier, if I want to get the total of this target, so I'll say is equal to, that's how we start the formula. We'll select the cell which you want to add. I'll press plus. Then the next one which I want to add, I'll say plus. Then the next one, plus. I can have multiple of them being added. Yeah. That's how you add using the plus operator. Pretty simple. Here we need to understand that the addition sign is being used. Yeah. We'll not go to the subtraction right now. Let me use the multiplication first. So multiplication is, suppose I have this quantity and I have the price. I want to get the actual price by multiplying the quantity and the price. That will give my actual revenue or the actual sales that I have done. So is equal to quantity into the multiplication sign that we have, and the price will give me the exact price of my sales. Same way I can copy this formula across with the relative reference. Yeah. So multiplication here, what you have done is we are using the asterisk symbol to multiply one value with an another value. I can multiply multiple values. So I can, if there are three values to be multiplied, I would add another asterisk and I would reference to that particular. So suppose I want to multiply it by further 100. So I can do that as well. Yeah. So it is a bigger than the formula size. So you can see this. So I'll not do that. That will give me an incorrect answer, but still, yeah. Okay. So we have seen multiplication, how it is to be done. Now let's see subtraction. Now, if I want to see the difference between the target and actual, so I say difference. So I want to know the difference between target and actual. So I'll say target minus, that is with an hyphen sign, and the actuals. This will give me the difference between the achievement that I have done against the target. So if I drag this down, I'll say, okay, it will give me the amount that I'm supposed to cover as I am falling short of this much amount. Yeah. So I was supposed to do 5 lakh 50, but I did 3 lakhs. So there is a difference of 2 lakh 50,000, which I have to achieve in the sales. So this is how you use subtraction symbol to subtract values from one to other to get the difference. Yeah. So we got the leftover or the remaining target that has to be achieved. Yeah. So this was subtraction. Now let's want to have, no, I want to know the percentage achievement. For that, I need to divide the difference by the actuals by the target. So my achievement was, so I'll say is equal to my achievement, that was actuals, divided by my target will give my percent achievement. So that is 54%. Yeah. This is 96% achievement. This is 83 and 73. Yeah. This is actually giving me that I have achieved 54.54 of my target. Yeah. So that gives me the percentage with the help of a division symbol. So we have this forward slash being used to divide the actuals from the target. Yeah. The next thing that we would like to see is the percent. Now, to get a percent of a number, you can type is equal to sign and the number followed by the percentage operator. Like if I want to get a percent of this, so I'll say is equal to this and the percent symbol to get the percent. So you see this? So sorry, this is not the way. I have to get the percent, which is a 54%. Is equal to, I'll say percent to get the value of the percent. So I have to format it in a percent symbol. So here. Yeah, so I have what I've done is I have added a percent next to the column which I want to convert to percent. So what it actually does is mathematically does is equal to it takes this number, yeah, it takes this number, divides this by the target that we have done earlier, and it multiplies it by 100, which gives me the 55% if I put it in percent. Since I have already put it in percent, it's, yeah, 55%. Yeah, so ideally it does the entire thing which was supposed to be in this way. Just we have added a percent symbol next to it. Yeah. Last but not the least, exponential is, I cannot show you by this example. Suppose you want to know what is the square of 2. So if I want to know the square of 2, I'll say is equal to this exponential sign and 2, so which is square. You can see here. So 2 square of 2 is square of 3 is, suppose I change this, the square of 3 is 9. You can see this. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Same way, I need to know cube of 5. So I'll change this one, which is above symbol. See? So the cube of 5 is 125, wherein square was 25. Yeah. What does it mean is it is multiplying 5 two times. So 5 into 5 is 25. When I say cube, it is multiplying 5 three times. 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. Okay, 5. Yeah, so we have multiplied 5 three times. So if I say 5 cube is 120. This is what it means. So when you are squaring, cubing, yeah, usually in mathematics, it is written as 5 and 3, but this 3 is written in a superscript. So I'll show you how it is written. So if I format this cell and I say superscript, okay, you'll find this 3 going up. Okay, format cells, so superscript, I say okay. Five is to 3. If I have to make this 3 as superscript, okay, you will find this. So it is into a superscript here. So that's how it looks like when you're talking about an exponential symbol. The most important thing that we need to look at when you are talking about arithmetic operators, it follows the principle of BODMAS. Yeah, which is BODMAS. Yeah, what does it mean is, I'll put it this way so that we understand BODMAS. Yeah, B stands for brackets. So this is the order of precedence. So whenever you are calculating any formula, brackets will be evaluated first. Then the exponential operator. Yeah. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay. So this is in the order in which it will be executed. For an example, so if I say is equal to 1 into 2 plus 3, see what I'm doing. I am not adding any bracket. So it is taking the multiplication into precedence. So it is 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 is, so let me make it 4. Yeah. So what it is doing is multiplication is first. So it is multiplying the number 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, can see the number is 11. Now, same thing I'm doing with the help of a bracket. So what I'm doing is I'm just keeping this 2 plus 3 in brackets. See what the difference comes to be. So it is 20. My numbers are same. My operators are same. But why is the difference in this particular output? Because of this BODMAS rule, the bracket has taken precedence. So before multiplying these two numbers, it is first considering the brackets and it is adding these two numbers. Yeah. So my bracket comes first in the order of precedence in arithmetic operations. My bracket operation takes place first. So it adds a number within the bracket first and then multiplies it by 4. So 4 into 5, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Wherein in this particular case, it was like multiplication was the first because there was no brackets. So it multiplied it first. That was 4 into 8 and then added it by 3. So you need to always remember in arithmetic operator how the order of precedence would be. So the brackets, any values within the brackets will be evaluated first, then the exponential, and then the division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is very important rule that you need to understand when you are using arithmetic operators. Yeah. Hope I was able to make this concept very much clear in terms of arithmetic operators. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these informative videos directly to your inbox. Do not forget to subscribe to or do not forget to add any comments as well because that's how you will come across to me if you want me to cover certain topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. Yeah. Thank you so much.